Atia no mo yo. O ma ko yo.
Okay, we are doing a song from Crentsil, a song called Atia, as requested by Gideon Ewinsie. He said you should do Atia from Crentsil. So as for this song, the key is key F sharp. F sharp here. This is the C shape. So from the neck you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we play the chord there. This is F sharp. This is the C shape. So because of how the song started, if you do not get a drummer and you are playing the copyright, it will be something different. So here, let's do the analysis. F sharp here. This is the F sharp, G shape. That's where I played it, but you can choose to play it anywhere. Either C shape, C shape, A shape, but I've chosen the G shape here. So he play here, La, first and third, at the 11th position, before you go to the double dot. That is where I'm talking about. That is what? La and Mi. La, so. The so is C sharp and F. Second string and the fourth string. That is 4th string, 13, 14, 15th position. So 14th position, 12, 13, 14th position, and 15th position on the 4th string. So then we move this 12th position, 13th position together. So we play La, so, La. So we crash them. La, first and third. La, so, La, Mi, Re. Mi is B flat and C sharp. Second and fourth. So don't play the whole chord, but that Re has become only one note. So again, Fa Mi Re, then Fa Mi Re again, Do, So, Do is F sharp, the A shape of playing F sharp. So C sharp, E flat, E shape of playing C sharp. So that is the first part. Again. Again. That is it. So That's the first part. So let's go to the second part. Second part, it just came here. That is me. Just punch me and so, because you see that is F sharp here. But he played me first string and so on the third string. He just this and play the same thing to it. You see, that is the technique. Mi, la, so, fa, mi, re. So there's no difference. The difference is this. Or he just played. So the first one, again. That is the intro. So let's take it slow. That's the intro. Then we go to the back. So here, la 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 la, so fa, so fa mi. So the la is F sharp and E flat. Again, F sharp, E flat or D sharp. So it's C sharp and F, C sharp and F, duet. So again, fa is B and E flat, B on the second string, E flat on the first string. So first one, then so fa mi, so fa mi. So we've done that. C sharp and F, fa, B and E flat, B and E flat, and mi, that is B flat, C sharp. So this one, the rhythm guitar is the one that started the song. The lead guitar, we will go to the lead guitar. So this is the rhythm guitar. So rhythm guitar is the one that started the song. That is, but sometimes you hear. So that's the chord. It's important chord. That's do fa so. So do. The song itself is important. Do is F sharp, fa, B major, so C sharp major or C sharp seventh. You can play it seventh. You can play it seventh. Or here. So that is the concept. So let's listen to the main lead. that is in the song. So let's start from the beginning.
Atia no boy yo. I'm not going yo.
So that is the rhythm guitar. Let's go to the lead guitar. So let's do the lead guitar. So that is F sharp 7. So we add the E note to the F sharp chord. So again, then we play Fa, Mi, Re. Again, Fa is B major, Mi is B flat minor, Re G sharp minor or G sharp minor 7th. You can play G sharp minor 7th. So then second one, first one, Mi, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Mi, or Do, Re, Do. Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So we can play. So you see Mi, Re, Do, Mi, B flat minor, Re, G sharp minor, Do, F sharp major. Either you play it this way or you play it one position. So that is Atia. So let's listen. Maybe we have a solo or something like that in it. So there is no solo. There's no solo in the song. So that is it. So Gideon in Wisi, you said Atia. So this is the Atia song guitar breakdown from Odehyie Keff. So we've done Atia. That is from A.B. Crentsil. So my friend Gideon, you said we should do Atia and we've done it. So tomorrow we will go to the net to 4 song people were named Nisio. So you don't worry, I will do that breakdown too as well. So don't forget to like the video, share, leave a comment. If you have a request, just bring it in because I'm back. I break for some reason because sometimes when the videos are many, people will keep following the upcoming one or the updated ones, leaving the beginner lesson that will help them to understand what you are doing. That's the reason why sometimes I stop for some time, then I'll come back again. So if you have anything for me, don't forget, this is my Momo number, 0550 624 337. Again, 0550 624 337. Thank you very much. Any letter that you have for me is okay. Bye bye.